Today I want to show you this office mat. As you can see, it's translucent, but it's textured on this side to help minimize slipping. And on this side, it has little nail studs, like little nubbies, that will help it have good grip on the floor. The mat comes tightly packaged. You can see this is the box that it came in, and it's all rolled up, and it's quite stiff when you take it out, but I followed the instructions. I just stuck it in a bathtub with warm water, and that kind of irons it out. And after I pulled it out of the warm water, it was much more pliable, laid it on the ground, and stuck some heavy books in the corners, and that was perfect. You can see it's all flat now and ready for use. It's a good size, about 3 feet by 4 feet or 120 by 90 centimeters, and it's made of a high-grade PVC plastic, making it very durable. Because of that nail side that helps keep it in place, this is going to be best on things like a carpet or a tile floor, even a cement floor, where the nubs can do their job without causing damage to the floor. And you can see there, because the mat is translucent, it just blends really nicely into the floor and allows for smooth movement without too much slipping as I'm rolling around.